test drive the 2016 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: xenon headlights, traction control, stability control, power sunroof, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, compass, fog lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.